Designer headboards from Lamps Plus offer handcrafted style and comfort for any bedroom. Our exclusive styles feature designer fabrics and luxe features like handcrafted tufting and side wings. Plus, these headboards have the added feature of being wall-mounted, meaning they don't attach to your bed frame. This allows you to install the headboard at any height you would like, creating a custom look for your room. You can even put two side by side to create an extra wide headboard. Installing these designs on the wall is an easy DIY job. You'll need some basic tools like an electric drill, a screwdriver, a hammer, a wall level, a measuring tape, and a pencil or painter's tape for marking the wall. Remove the headboard from the shipping container. Locate screws, wall anchors, and French cleat brackets. You'll need these later. Place the headboard against the wall at the desired location. If your design has them, remember to include the wings to get an accurate placement. Attach them to the headboard by sliding the bracket on the wing over the bracket on the headboard. Mark an outline of the headboard lightly on the wall with pencil or tape. Use a wall level to make sure that the horizontal line is level. This will give you an idea of how it will look installed and give you reference points to work from. Measure. Then install the French cleat brackets on the wall so that they match the location of the brackets on the back of the frame. Use screws provided to drill into wall studs or install wall anchors into your drywall. You may need two different wall anchors depending on your type of wall surface and construction. Lift the headboard into place, sliding the bracket on the back of the headboard over the wall cleat bracket. Check to make sure the headboard is securely in place. And there you have it. Now you have a fresh new focal point for your bedroom. Find more designs for your home at lampsplus.com.